a new build, and a locked-up brake sends him crashing. He walked away without a scratch, but his bike wasn't so lucky. Always check for recalls. When building or buying a used bike, it might just save your ride.
Oh my God.
In Buenos Aires, Argentina, a rider was paying attention to everything, except the part where he's supposed to look. Always keep your eyes on the road, especially what's right in front of you. A split-second distraction can lead to a crash.
Sí, hermano.
Luckily, he walked away without injuries. In Paradise Point, Australia, a male Karen wasn't having it when a kid was ding-dong ditching.
I know you didn't.
I didn't do nothing.
No, you didn't do anything.
Why?
This
Why'd
bike's
you hit
illegal,
me?
by the way.
I know, but why'd you
This
hit
bike's
me?
illegal, isn't it? You ran in front of my car. I'm sorry.
No,
Your
I'm sorry.
your friend with the blue.
Yes.
Howard. Nice to meet
Yes,
you.
nice to meet you too.
You okay?
Yeah, I'll pick up my bike. I didn't.
First of all, understand this bike's completely illegal.
Can you fix my handlebars?
There you go. This bike is completely illegal. First of all.
Yeah.
Sorry. I know he is. Yeah, they're ringing
What?
my doorbell every day.
No, I didn't do it. I wasn't here.
Police here yesterday. See them going over there? The guy with the blue hat on's on my camera just rang the doorbell. So I'm about to go back to the police from the case from yesterday, where there were other witnesses. If I was you, buddy, I would go and I would vanish off.
Yeah.
Because the police are going to be back here. The guy with the blue hat on.
I'm just a bit
one of your
confused why you hit me. I didn't do nothing.
Yeah, one of your mates who you're here with. Yeah, he was in front of the car.
I have it on film. No, I saw you zoom up on me. I have it on film.
We saw that. What
Yeah.
happened?
I have it on film.
That's okay.
I have it on film. Yeah, I'm
As
fine.
I say, they're terrorising this neighbourhood.
Yeah, that'll be great.
The millionaire businessman just got fined $645. Do you think the fine was punishment enough for the man? Drop your thoughts in the comments. In Phoenix, Arizona, a biker was riding in the carpool lane when traffic ahead slammed the brakes. It's harsh, but the responsibility still falls on the rider. Always stay alert, keep a safe following distance, and be ready to stop, no matter what the drivers ahead decide to do.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
In Delhi, India, a rider was out with his newly riding friend when they approached a traffic light. This new rider made a rookie mistake by pressing only the front brake, making the rear wheel to lift up and lose balance.
भाई फुल रस में चल रही गाड़ी